Students, today we will discuss about the next topic GDP, Chapter 2 Economics Standard 10. Lecture 6. How do you count goods and services produced in our country? To count the entire production, it is not practical to go to the field and count all the produced items. For example, take the case of packed biscuits. Farmer produced wheat at the rate of 8 rupees per kg and provided to the flour mill at the rate of 8 rupees per kg. Flour mill grind the wheat and provided to the biscuit factories at the rate of 10 rupees per kg. The transported flour to the factory is added with sugar and the manufacturing process, and finally packed biscuits are sold to the market at the rate of 20 rupees per pack. We cannot count the wheat in the 3 stages of production, so finally we count the packed biscuits. That means final value is counted including the intermediate values. Next topic is GDP. Gross Domestic Product. It is the sum of total production in any country through primary, secondary and tertiary activities. GDP is the value of all final goods and services produced within a country during a particular year. It helps to easily understand the economy of any country. Next, classification of GDP on various factors. The classification grouped the countries into various groups like primary, secondary and tertiary. Example, primary India has maximum people engaged in primary sector, secondary China and tertiary USA. In India, share of employment is highest in primary sector. Now, India gradually shifts from primary to tertiary sector. Tertiary sector is the largest producing sector since 2000 due to some reasons like rising basic services in villages, rising income through restaurants, tourism, transport, introduction of ICT, information and communication technology. Thank you.